Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm Caitlin. Our company is specialized in the commercial diesel parts. Today I will introduce you one of our hot sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly, it's the outside packages blue VCI roast bag. Here this is the label. They're printed with our Shumatt's brand, and the product code of this valve assembly is F00RJ01278. For the logo, label, packaging, etc., we can support customized service, so feel free to contact us. And then let's check the inside. Transparent bottle can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. 1 layer of the oil paper to wrap it up. By the way, each product we Shumatt supply with 6 months warranty, so the product has the quality guaranteed, no worries. For this one, apply cable for 04451200054, etc. And this one is the 120 series, China made brand new. The valve cap. There with coating figures here. The valve rods. If you want to clean the valve assembly, clean it with the oil and make sure the valve cap in the right position. The valve rod can be moved smoothly up the inject body. So much for this one. At last, if you want to know more, please send us better comments or feel free to contact us. So much for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!